Hello, good evening everyone. My name is Farumlia from the Marine Science Study Program. In this video, I will discuss or explain the material getting to know pesticide pollution and its control effort. Types of pesticide. 1. Pesticide insecticide. Function used to kill insects that damage crop. Example, Malathion DDT, pyrethroid. 2. Herbicide pesticide. Function used to eradicate weeds or unwanted nuisance plants. Example, glyphosate 2,4-D-atrazine. 3. Fungicide pesticide. Function used to control fungi or disease caused by fungi. Example, carbendazim, mancozeb, difenoconazole. Number 4. Rodenticide pesticide. Function used to control rat or rodent pests. Example, warfarin, bromadiol, brodifacoum. 5. Nematicide pesticide. Function used to control nematodes or parasite worm that damage plant roots. Example, aldicert, phenamifos. 6. Bactericidal pesticide. Function used to control plant disease caused by bacteria. Example, copper oxide, streptomycin. 7. Road pesticide. Soil fumigants. Function used to control nuisance organisms in the soil such as nematodes, fungi, and bacteria. Example, metam-sodium downrin. 8. Algicide pesticide. Function used to eradicate algae that develop in irrigation ponds or reservoirs. Example, CuSO4, copper sulfate, dichlorophenyl. Number 6, strong pesticide disinfectants. Function used to clean and eradicate germ or the pathogenic microorganisms that are agricultural equipment. Example, different formulation including alcohol or chlorine. Source of pesticide pollution. 1. Pesticide use on farms. Main source. Direct application of pesticide to crop on farms is a major source of pollution. When pesticides are sprayed or applied to crops, most of the pesticide will drip onto the soil and pollute the environment. Pollution process. Pesticide can be washed away by rain or irrigation weather and enter waterways, rivers, and lakes. Pesticides that do not break down quickly can accumulate, accumulate in the soil, affecting soil quality and the microorganisms present in it. 2. Runoff to weather source. Pollution source. Runoff of rain or irrigation water carrying pesticides from the land surface, waterways, or the water bodies. River lakes reservoirs is a source of water pollution. Impact pesticides that enter water can contaminate drinking water source and threaten aquatic ecosystem. including fish and organisms that live in them. Pesticide in weather can also enter the food can track the consumption or organism or animal living around these weather bodies. 3. Evaporation and aerial spraying. Source of pollution. Pesticides sprayed in aerosol from or in the air can evaporate into the atmosphere, polluting the air. Impact. Airborne pesticide particles can be inhaled by humans, animals, or plants. Uncontrolled spraying of pesticide can also cause air pollution which affect the health of humans, animals, and other plants. 4. Pesticide used by farmers or agricultural works. Source of pollution. Inappropriate use of pesticide by farmers source a spraying excessive dose of pesticide or without personal protection. Source as mask or protective clothing can cause pesticide to enter the human body or pollute the surrounding environment. Impact. Pesticide poisoning can occur in farmers or workers who are directly exposed to pesticide. Excessive or inappropriate use of pesticide can degrade the quality of around farmland. 5. Soil pollution. Source of pollution pesticide that are absorbed by the soil and do not break down quickly can pollute the soil. Impact reduces soil quality, reduce biodiversity of soil microorganisms that are important for soil fertility. Pesticides that settle in the soil can enter plants through the roots and then concentrate in part of the plant that are consumed by human or animals. 6. Pollution by pesticides containing hazard compounds. Source of pollution. Some pesticide contains chemicals that are highly toxic and difficult to break down in nature, such as DDT or dichlordipen trichlorodan, chloroprifos, or atrazine. Impact. This compound can persist in the environment, enter the food chain, and accumulate in organisms, including humans. Bioaccumulation. They can disrupt ecosystem, damage beneficial insect population, and threat animal and human health. 7. Pesticide manufacture and distributes to the market. Source of pollution. Pesticide production process in factories or improper stock can lead to chemical leaks that contaminate the air, water, or soil. Impact. Improperly managed industrial waste can pollute the environment and cause health problems for workers and the surrounding community. Leaks or improper disposal of pesticides are also source of pollution. 8. Pesticide in food and beverages. Source of contamination. Pesticide contaminates on crops or agricultural product consumed by humans can contaminate foods and beverages. Impact. Export to pesticide drug consumes of Contaminated food can cause health problems as gut poisoning or long-term effects such as hormone disruption, cancer, or neurological problems. 9. Improper spraying. Pollution source. Untimely spraying of pesticides or not following the recommended can lead to excessive pesticide that contaminates the surrounding environment. Impact applying pesticide during strong winds can cause pesticide to fly in unwanted area, including neighboring farmlands. Pesticide concentration or pollution load. 1. Pesticide concentration in water. Pesticide concentration in water is a measure used to determine the level of water pollution due to pesticide use. When pesticides are carried away by runoff or enter through irrigation, they can contaminate water sources as river, lakes, or reservoirs. 2. Pesticide concentration in soil. Pesticide concentration in soil measures the extent to which pesticide accumu- accumulates in the soil after application. Pesticides that are absorbed by the soil or do not break down quickly can contaminate the soil and affect soil fertility and microorganisms. 3. Pesticide concentration in air. Pesticide applied by spraying or aerosol mist can volatilize and pollute the air. This volatility process causes pesticide to be carried by the wind and can over a large area. 4. Pollution load on ecosystem. Pollution load on ecosystem includes the long-term effect of pesticide concentration that affect ecological balance. If pesticide risk aquatic, soil, or air ecosystem in high concentration, sorry, they can damage biodiversity and ecosystem function. 5. Human pollution burden. Pesticide concentration in food. The concentration of pesticide in agricultural product consumed by human is one of the important indicators of pesticide pollution load. Food contaminates with pesticide can cause both short-term and long-term health impacts. 6. Pesticide pollution load index. The pollution load index is a measure to assess the cumulative impact of pesticide pollution in an ecosystem or environment. It often involves a combination of pesticide concentration in various media, water, soil, air, and their effect on human health and ecosystem viability. Social impacts. Uncontrolled use pesticide can damage agricultural ecosystem and reduce crop yield. In the long run, this can cause economic loss for farms in increased product costs, hormone exports of to pesticide may experience health problem, reduce their productivity, or even lose their livelihoods. In addition, water and soil pollution can damage the natural resource used by farmers. 6. Long-term pollution and bioaccumulation. So, pesticides are persistent, meaning they remain in the environment for a very long time without breaking down. Pesticides that are lipoic. Fat-loving will accumulate in the tissues of animals or plants and can even reach concentration in the food chain. Bioaccumulation of pesticides in organisms can cause health problems is further generation. For example, pesticide accumulates in fish can affect high-level predator such as birds or any marine mammals. Factor affecting pesticide pollution load. Type of pesticide. Some pesticides break down faster in neither biodegradable, while others are more persistent and can remain in the environment for a long time. Application method. Overspraying pesticides or applying them at the wrong time such as in strong winds can lead to increased pollution. Weather and soil condition. Rain or irrigation can cause runoff of pesticide into waterways, while soil types that cannot absorb pesticide will increase the risk of contamination. Pesticide pollution management. 1. Approach and judicious use of pesticide. Selection of environment-friendly pesticide. Use more and free environmentally friendly pesticides such as biopesticide, pesticide based on natural material or microorganism, which break down faster and are less harmful to the ecosystem. Proper dosage and timing of application. Using the right amount of pesticide according to recommended dose to avoid forests that can pollute an environment. Utilizing of integrated pest management (IPM) technology using an IPM approach then combines various pest control methods in sustainable manner such as biological control using natural enemies of the pest or mechanical control such as traps or pruning to reduce dependence on chemical pesticides. 2. Safe storage, use and disposal of pesticide. 1. Safe storage. Store pesticide in a safe place, out of reach of children, animal and water area, river lakes to prevent leak or contamination. 2. Proper use approach personal protective equipment (PPE) when applying pesticide to protect farms and works from direct exposure. 3. Disposal of used pesticide. Dispose of leftover pesticide containers or packaging in a proper manner sorry, according to the guidelines of the local environmental authority. 3. Number 3. Management of pesticide residues in soil and water. 1. Restoration of polluted soils. Using restoration techniques to reduce accumulation of pesticide in soil such as the use of cover crops organic matter can help accelerate pesticide degradation. Water monitoring and testing. Conduct regular testing of water source river lakes wells to monitor pesticide residue concentration and ensure that level do not exceed safe limits for people and ecosystem. 4. Education and training for farmers and communities. Training on safe pesticide use. Provide training to farm and works on how to use pesticide safely. Understand the potential hazard of pesticide and how to prevent soil, water, and air contamination. Community outreach provide information to the community on the dangers of uncontrolled pesticide use and the importance of causing food products that are free from harmful pesticides. 5. Monitoring and law enforcement. National regulation and standard implement states regulation on pesticide use, maximum pesticide reduction limits in agricultural product and safe application methods. Environmental monitoring. Conduct monitoring of pesticide residue level in soil, water, and agricultural product to ensure no excess pollution that harm human or ecosystem. Thank you. Sekian presentasi di video kali ini. Mohon maaf jika banyak kesalahan, salah kata maupun kurangnya jelas kata-kata saya. Saya minta maaf. Sekian dari saya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.